Hi everyone, it's Miss Faye again. So we are now on our third week. So just like what I've told you yesterday, these are all the things that we're going to talk about for this week. But we are just going to focus, of course, for today, Tuesday. So we are going to have book activities using your Fly with English workbook, and we are going to have our quiz number 1 for the unit 1. So now we are going to talk about just book activities. We're going to do book activities and quiz number 1. So, book activities. Ready your Fly with English workbook, please. Take note. Ready your pencil as well. And just like what I've told you, your books. Pause the video when Miss Faye told you to do so, alright? Do not look into the answers, answer it yourself, and pause the video or stop. When I say pause, meaning you stop the video. Miss Faye will check the book once you're back in school. And remember the vocabularies I will be saying every after activity. For the first activity that we have here is on page 8. Everybody, turn your book on page 8. And here's the picture of the page 8. It's the first part of the page 8. So it says here, read, draw lines. So we have to read everything and look at the pictures, and you have to draw lines and connect it to the words given on the side. Example, let's read. Food is good. Food is nice. Eat fruit, vegetables, blank, and rice. So we have here, what is this? Okay, it's a fish. So, eat fruit, vegetables, fish, and rice. You have to connect the picture of the fish to the word fish. So, where is the word fish here? It's over here. So, you just have to draw lines. You have to read and draw lines. Now, pause the video, stop the video, and take some time to answer the activity on page 8. Everyone, stop the video please. Now, let's move forward to the next part. We have here 6 numbers. The number 1 is given. So you just have to write the words. Number 1, limes. How about number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Take some time to answer this activity. If you are not ready to move forward, just stop the video. Again, pause or stop the video. Now, let's answer the one that we had just now. Miss Faye will be the one to read. Food is good. Food is nice. Eat fruit, vegetables, fish, and rice. Tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and peas. And don't forget some carrots, please. Eat vegetables with fish and rice. Eat lots of fruit. It's very nice. Coconuts, mangoes, pears, and lemons. Bananas, limes, and watermelons. There you go. So lemons is given as well. And Miss Faye gave you the answer to the first one, which is the fish. Now let's move forward to the second one. Here, I told you, you have to write the words. Number 1, limes. Number 2, peas. Number 3, watermelons. Number 4, pears. Number 5, potatoes. And number 6, mangoes. For our first vocabulary, before we move forward to the next page, is table. Table is a piece of furniture with a flat top supported by one or more legs, just like this one, just like the one we're using in school. Now let's move forward to workbook page 9. Here, listen and tick or cross. Listen to the audio and tick or cross.
Track 3. Page 9. Listening. Listen and tick or cross. Number 1 is the example. Number 1.
Is that lemonade, Robot?
Number 2.
What's that, Sam? Is it milk?
Number 3.
Is that milk, Sue?
Number 4.
Is that a lime, Bill?
Number 5.
What's this, Robot? Is it juice?
It's water, May.
Number 6.
Okay, children, what's that? Yes, Sam?
It's lemonade, Mr. Lee.
Alright, if you did not get that, you can always go back and listen to the audio again. Alright, now let's move forward. Let's answer. We will listen again and Miss Faye will show the answer.
Track 3. Page 9. Listening. Listen and tick or cross. Number 1 is the example. Number 1.
Is that lemonade, Robot?
Number 2.
What's that, Sam? Is it milk?
Number 3.
Is that milk, Sue?
Number 4.
Is that a lime, Bill?
Number 5.
What's this, Robot? Is it juice?
It's water, May.
Number 6.
Okay, children, what's that? Yes, Sam?
It's lemonade, Mr. Lee.
Alright, now let's answer the one under the first activity. So here you have to listen, draw, and color. You have to listen to Miss Faye and you have to draw and color it afterwards. First, draw 2 tomatoes under the table. Color them red. 2. Draw a watermelon on the table. Color it green. Number 3. Draw 4 lemons on the chair. Color them yellow. Number 4. Draw 2 oranges under the chair. Color them orange. Number 5. Draw a carrot on the table. Color it orange. And last number is, draw 5 onions on the table. Color them brown. You can stop the video or pause it so you can take some time to draw the fruits and vegetables that I just mentioned. You can just color it later on after this video. For our second vocabulary, before we go to the next page, it's line. What do you mean by line? A line can be defined as straight one, just like this one. Another line and another line. Example, draw a line from the teacher going to the pencil. So, we're going to draw a line. So, line can be defined as straight one, though sometimes we can draw a line even though it's not straight, because we can draw a line using a ruler or just by yourself. Now let's move forward to the next page. Everybody turn your book on page 12. So here, you write the words in the correct place. Example, apples. Apples belongs to fruit. So you are going to write apples here under fruit. You can pause the video and start answering now. Now, on the next page, you are going to write, on the same page, but the next part, you are going to write a or an. Example number 1, a tomato. So, you are just going to write a or an in the space provided. Now, stop the video or pause the video and take some time to answer. Now, let's try to answer the page 12. So, carrots. Carrots is under, of course, vegetables. Burgers, under meat. Chicken, under meat. Apples is given. Lemons, under fruit. Mangoes, under fruit. Peas, under vegetables or fruit. Some book says it's vegetables, some book says it's fruit. And potatoes, under vegetables, and sausages, of course, it's under meat. For the next part, write a or an. Number 1, a tomato. Number 2, an onion. 3, a coconut. 4, a lemon. 5, an apple. 6, a watermelon. 7, an orange. And last number, a potato. For our third vocabulary for today is listen. Listen is to pay attention to sound or to hear something with attention. Listen, just like right now you are listening to me or to Miss Faye. Listen is to pay attention. For our quiz number 1 for Unit 1, it's about food, article a and an, this and that, this and those. Quiz number 1, you have to go to classwork and answer the quiz number 1 in Google form. Make sure you've listed all the vocabulary words I mentioned in this video. And that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye!